How to use ChatGPT as an advanced language translation tool. ChatGPT can be used as a language translation tool to some extent. As a language model, ChatGPT has been trained on a large corpus of text data, which includes text in various languages. Although it is primarily trained on English language data, it can understand and process text in several other languages as well. To use ChatGPT as a language translation tool, you can input text, say, translate text to translate to target language, in one language and ask ChatGPT to translate it into another language. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT may not always produce accurate translations, especially for complex sentences and technical language. There are also other specialized translation tools and services available that are specifically designed for language translation and may provide more accurate translations. Some popular language translation tools include Google Translate, Bing Translator, and DeepL Translator. Overall, while ChatGPT can be used as a language translation tool, it may not always produce accurate translations and should be used with caution. Below are several language translation tools available that can help you translate text from one language to another. Here are some popular ones. Google Translate. Google Translate is a free online translation tool that can translate text, speech, and images into over 100 languages. It also offers features such as auto-detect language, a dictionary, and a conversation mode. Microsoft Translator. Microsoft Translator is another free online translation tool that can translate text, speech, and images into over 60 languages. It also offers features such as a multi-device conversation mode and a keyboard extension for mobile devices. DeepL Translator. DeepL Translator is a translation tool that uses artificial intelligence to provide high-quality translations. It supports over 30 languages and offers features such as a dictionary, context-based translations, and a document translation service. SDL Trados. SDL Trados is a translation software that is used by professional translators and agencies. It offers features such as translation memory, terminology management, and project management tools. MemoQ. MemoQ is another translation software that is used by professional translators and agencies. It offers features such as translation memory, terminology management, and project management tools. Prompt. Prompt is a translation software that offers machine translation for text, websites, and documents. It supports over 40 languages and offers features such as translation memory and terminology management. These are just a few examples of the many language translation tools available. When choosing a language translation tool, consider the features you need, the languages you need to translate, and whether you need a free or paid tool. Here are some reputable sources for information on language translation. American Translators Association. ATA. The ATA is a professional association for translators and interpreters in the United States. Its website provides information on translation services, certification programs, and industry news. International Federation of Translators. FitFit is an international organization that represents translators, interpreters, and terminologists. Its website provides information on translation standards, industry news, and events. European Association for Machine Translation, EAMT. The EAMT is an organization that represents the machine translation industry in Europe. Its website provides information on machine translation research, events, and news. Localization Industry Standards Association, LISA. LISA is an international organization that represents the language services industry. Its website provides information on translation and localization standards, events, and news. Common Sense Advisory, CSA. CSA is a research and consulting firm that specializes in the language services industry. Its website provides research reports, industry analysis, and news on language translation and localization. The Translation Journal. The Translation Journal is an online publication that provides information and resources for translators and interpreters. Its website features articles on translation theory, industry news, and reviews of translation tools and software. These sources can provide valuable insights into the language translation industry, best practices, and emerging trends.